Okay guys, hello and welcome to a new video. This time Microsoft Excel Collegiate Challenge February round. Again, it will be live, so I've never seen this case before, and I also might not talk that much since I also try to have not that low of a score. It's also a case where speed is important because I saw the scores for the Varsity round and we have had multiple universities scoring full scores, and therefore it might be easy, of course easier than Excelopolis last time, but yeah, let's do it through Varsity. That should not be the issue today. Downloading always taking that long. Okay, JV. Here we go. Harry Siders. That's good. That's good. Extract. Oh no, I don't have extract. Load lambdas. Why can't it? Okay, I have to debug this macro. Okay, because the first one we could have used substitute, but I have extract type from a string, and then I can select here only letters. Substitute would have been faster, but yeah, you never know. Automatic. Okay, count the number of non-blank cells, so count so far so good. Sum the numbers within each set of numbers equals sum minus minus text split. Yes. Sounds good. Looks good. Count how many times, so count if s. Thankfully they don't have merged cells here. They learned from the past. Scary emoji have inserted on Instagram. Okay. So what I do is text sum minus text split, substitute. Delimiter is again semicolon. Yes, has worked. Good, good, good. Medium, sum the numbers. This is sum of x lookup of the area. So, too much. Yes. Oh, but okay. Lost here. 185. Yes. Convert the emoji to numbers. I don't know if you can split them with mid-sequence, but there is regex extract, and I think it's regex/x or something. No. Okay, let me quickly take a look. Okay, try point. No. Anyways, I don't know if mid-sequence will work, because those characters might be longer than one. Yeah. So therefore I use my text split split text into letters. Erase with special characters. And this will work. And then XLOOKUP, and here, no, for this, splitted array, in here, returning the numeral, and then concat. Yeah. Okay, count A. I don't know if I have to answer here with number, but let's do it. So bonus questions. How many characters is the longest answer? XLOOKUP max of len returning len 8. Oh, I'm an idiot. I could have also used max and len. What is the sum of the two largest individual numbers? Sum of large and then sequence 2. In level 4, excluding the example, how many times does the most frequent emoji appear? Okay, no emojis of interest. So basically either group by or some lambda solution. And the answer is 96. You could also call and group by and then count A would also work. Appear in the answers. So basically len minus len substitute for all alphabet letters or most of character in area, which is doing basically the same. And then I know that E is appearing 12 times. So you could also do, okay, I know the alphabet. There's chars sequence 26 plus 94, I think. Or was this small? No, this was 64. And then you concat all of this. And then len of this minus len substitute this against nothing. And then you also see E is 12. So here maximum is 12, which is E. So same, but a little bit more to do. How many times does an emoji appear directly after the semicolon? Okay. Excluding the example. Okay. Text join. No, text join will not work. I need to do this by row. Yes. And then directly after means the first one is an emoji. So left one. Oh, this works. Interesting. equals this. Cool. Sum minus minus. And then track this down, and our answer is 155. Excluding example, how many times directly after the semicolon? Okay, so we are good. Hopefully 100% score. A little bit 10 minutes around, that's okay. Might be not the first place then for Varsity because I talk too much, but it doesn't matter in this case. Okay, grading. Let's see. I hope they haven't turned it off. Make faster. 94? Not full score? Huh. Interesting. What was wrong? Oh, have I saved? Yeah, I've saved. Anyways, hopefully this will be better for Varsity. See you in a few minutes.